we are back. I didn't get to finish the video a couple days ago because of weather, and the little one was not having it being outside, but I want to give a quick recap what happened the last couple days and then just finish the rest of the signs for the garden and finish this up. Yeah, well, let's get to it. Okay, so since the last time I filmed at the beginning of this video, the strawberries are still doing pretty good. They're turning, some of them are turning brown. I think it's because they're overwatered, so I have to kind of fix this. Also, maybe missing some nutrients, so I'm gonna look that up and see what I can do to help these, but they're growing. Still nothing here. These ones actually have turned to green now. The other ones haven't done, so I think it's just a water issue. For this, the marigolds, you can see they're popping out, which is really cool. There's Milo in the background. And then over here, still nothing over here. Again, this is the sage, rosemary, scallions, and carrots. Nothing. I've been stocking the soil, but nothing yet for that one. And then we're going to come over to the potatoes. This was the second one I planted, which was a couple days apart, so nothing yet for this one. These are the white potatoes, so nothing yet on this one. I gotta finish the signs for this, but these are the tomatoes for this one. And this, the littlest things when you're gardening, the little green is coming through. Again, I'm gonna make the signs and write the names on them as well, but as you can see, you stock out these little, the greens, the growth, so that's pretty cool. Some more over here. Again, these are tomatoes and basil, so you can kind of see they're coming through, which is really cool. Over here, the better part, again, this is chamomile. You can see there's green in here, which means it's growing. Again, this is lettuce, and then spinach in here, green. So really cool growth on these. Again, I'm gonna make the signs for these as well, so I'll know exactly what is what. But again, there's a lot more growth, like spinach, which is really cool for this one. Again, I'll make the signs. Again, I know what each section is. I'll just make the labels for this one. Yeah, coming back to over here. Again, this was the first potatoes that I've done. Again, I have to cover some of this one now because I put more dirt in this one. Oh no, where'd it go? I saw a little bit of green. Where did it go? Oh, right there. The littlest things, but shows that there's growth. So that's what we care about, that it's sprouting, which means you're doing something right. Again, I'm not a professional. I just love doing gardening as a hobby, and then I'm a firm believer on growing your own food. Same thing happened to these strawberries. Again, these haven't sprouted yet. I added some dry soil because two different things. For this one, they completely turn brown, which is sad. But this one has growth, which is cool. Silly me, forgot to take out, where'd it go? Can you see it? Yes. I don't know if you can see it. These little, like, the holes. Yep. So all of the water was not properly coming out. Again, there's one on this side, so they're overwatered. Realize this a little bit too late. So note, make sure to remove all of the stoppers so you have proper drainage. All right, last but not least, again, these are the chocolate mint, so they're still growing. There's some more green in these. Again, these were like more cabbage vibes. And then I think I had another lettuce in there too. So that's that one. And then the garlic, which is growing as well too. I know you can actually cut this portion off and actually cook with them, which is really cool. But again, these are all growing. They already had some growth on them, but you can see they're actually sprouting more in them as well, which is really cool. So I said I'm gonna finish these signs and then clean things up, but so I am going to finish these signs and then clean it up a little bit. I did get, because you can never have too many things to plant, lavender, dill, and one other thing just to plant, and I'm planting those in containers to add along the trellis that I created. Other than that, we should be good to go. So quick story about this actual garden that I'm in. This is not my personal garden. I am actually doing this for my in-laws. They are away on a trip, so we're house sitting, but I want them to come back to garden. They used to do it a few years ago, but they stopped, so I just want to have them something nice to come back home to, some stuff that they use. So this is all very intentional things that they actually cook with. But yeah, so I'm excited to clean it up and see their reaction when they see it.